sorry. My hair's messed up with this. It's just I'm mad at my sister because, you know. Never mind. Hi. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. I just don't know what to say. Yeah, we do it with the Kim. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Hey, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. I don't want to know what I'm gonna say. And yeah, I don't want to know anything. I'm gonna do anything. Everything I'm gonna do with every single thing I'm gonna do with that one. I'm gonna do with that one. And now it's up my top of my head like that. Now I'm gonna be going that one. I'm gonna go around with that one on my head. Every single thing like that. You never come alive. Okay. Better stop singing. Guess what? I love to sing. Okay, I can't stop singing. Say hi. Say hi. Can you say hi? First you have to say hi. Okay, you said hi already. Fine. Say hi. Here. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Okay, you said hi already. Say hi. Say hi. I'm sorry about that. My cat got in the way. He likes videos. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Excuse me. It just went on with her head. Yes, say hi. Are you dead? Hi. 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 Yeah. Get out the way, kitty kitty. Killer Heather. I don't want to get out of the way, so I had to push it out the way. Keep coming back. I just now got your butt in my face. But okay, what do you want? Okay, this is what I wanted. And then, you know, I just wanted to tell you because the kittens is kind of taking it. And the kitten's kind of taking it. So you know what? I just wanted to tell you that they're taking it, and I'm gonna get a mama cat on them. Mama cat. I think it's outside. I should have bought her.